All right, guys, in light of everything else going on, I'm going to take a break and make a video. This is going to be for some people I've been talking to out in the actual offline world. And I'm going to share some of this with them too. But we're going to go ahead and make a dandelion brew with this new pot here that I have. Excuse this organized mess in the kitchen here too, but I'm going to show you what it looks like too. I'll put a lid on it. But there's our dried dandelions. What I'm going to do is go ahead and fill this with some water. Go ahead and put some water in here. Then we're going to go ahead and put the dandelions in here. We'll make a tea, an iced tea. Drink it hot or ice. Fill it about that much. And I'm going to go ahead and about this much. There we go. This 30 cups is about 40. But I'm going to set this up here. I have to set this where the plug is too, to move this shit out of the way. I'll do it over. Scoot this over. You know what? I'll leave this over here like this. The wire's got to reach, so I'll put this right here, just so there's room. And we're going to do next, take space there. So you can see this. Take some of these out of here. These are dried dandelions this time. And they smell pretty damn good when you're going to get some of these apart. We're going to go ahead and stuff them in here. Stuff them in here real good. We're going to make ourselves a brew. Put a little bit more in here. There, jam these in here real good. Put these away. Put this down for 1 second. Damn it. Wash these in here. Take this thing, shove it in here, shove that in here. Then we're going to put this down in here. Yeah, this is the brand new pot. In this video, not a very good speaker in it, but I'm mostly making this in response to one of my friends that I was just talking to. That I was giving them my mint and these dandelion teas, and she was saying she even likes to make teas and put sugar in it and freeze it and make her own popsicles or slushies and that. Well, anyway, she told me she does that, and then, she does that, and now she can't even keep the stuff in the fridge. She got other people that like it, and they keep taking it. So I want to do this, so they want to know how I make this. But I told her, like in my other videos, that I was using the Mr. Coffee, or coffee makers just like this. But now, like, if you want to get yourself one of these, they kind of brew a little hotter, and it's like really awesome. But shove these in here real good, and like I'm using this camera by hand, so I'm gonna, as soon as I turn this camera off and end this video, I'm gonna fix this lid better. But then as soon as I plug this in, I'll do another. I'll have another ad. Splice another part of this video in where I show you the finished product. So until then, stay tuned. All right, guys. Some on here. The video didn't record the last time, so I'm doing this again. I already filled this glass. Get some more in here. I filled it up, but there you go. This is what it looks like. a lot more color to it there and flavor to it, because this thing burns, this thing percolates a little hotter here. Actually looks like spinach now. But anyway, there you have it. I'm going to put some of this in the jug to give to my friends that like it. So thanks for watching.